Hi guys, welcome back to Mel's Kitchen. In today's video I'm going to be showing you guys attempting for the first time to make Jamaican callaloo in the tin. So I'm going to go ahead and experience this with you guys for the very first time that I'm making it. I always make steamed callaloo back when I was at home, but it's the first time I'm trying the one in the tin, so I wanted to see how it will come out. So first thing first, I want to show you guys what I have here on this board. I have some chopped tomatoes. I have Jamaican hot pepper because there's no cooking without hot pepper, right, as a Jamaican. And I have assorted sweet pepper. I have red and green, and over here I have some chopped onions. And I'm going to go ahead and open this callaloo in the tin and throw off the water and wash it and see if I need to cut it a little smaller or it's the perfect size. Real Jamaican cutting tins with the knife. Okay, so that's what the color looks like inside, and here I have a pan with a drainer, and I'm just gonna go ahead and throw the color out in here. And I'm observing as I go along that it doesn't have too much water on the callaloo, so that's good. It smells really nice, looks good too. Okay, so by the look of this callaloo, I do not need to cut it any smaller. I'm just gonna go ahead and give it a rinse one time under the pipe just to get this water from the tin off, and then we're gonna go ahead and proceed and start steaming this callaloo. Okay, so after running my callaloo under a little cold water for a bit, it looks really good. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and proceed with my steaming method. So in this pot here that is already preheated, I am going to go ahead and drop just a little bit of vegetable oil, just a little. I don't want too much. I'm going to put this on low flame. I put it on low flame because I'm going to steam and I don't want anything to burn or overcook. And I am also going to go ahead and add a little piece of butter to that. Now I'm going to throw in all my seasonings, all my onions, my peppers, and my tomatoes. And just toss this around real quick. Okay. And I'm gonna add a little salt to my seasoning for taste. Just a little, don't want it too fresh. And I'm gonna add just a little piece of thyme in here. Okay, that looks good. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add all of this callaloo on top of here. And just mix that in nicely and bring up all the seasoning from the bottom. Also gonna go ahead and add a little bit more salt, and then I'm gonna add a little black pepper too. this callaloo that's steaming. Alright, now I'm gonna go ahead and close this callaloo pot and let it steam for about 5 more minutes. You want to make sure that you're steaming on low flame, because that's what steaming does, low flame. Okay, so it's been about 8 to 10 minutes since my callaloo is on, and it finished steaming now, and it's soft and it feels good and it tastes good. I never thought that I would be eating tin callaloo, but it tastes really good, and I'll be definitely buying myself some more. So there you have it, guys, steamed callaloo from the tin. Amazing. I would recommend anybody to try steamed callaloo, to try callaloo from the tin. Hopefully you guys enjoy this video. If you do, give it a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you are new, catch up and keep up with Mel's Kitchen, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.